Sports on Air.
Sorry, guys.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have with us earlier after game 8 Luigi and Coach Luigi with the alternative coach. Last game, you failed to grab that opportunity to get a 3-1 lead in the series. How did you keep the morale high and keep the players confident coming to the today's game?
Both teams are always ready. I mean, it's a best of 7 series. I don't think anybody's going to have their guard down. I don't think anybody's going to have their guard down. So both teams are ready. You can see every game has been close, every game has been tight. That last game, though, we didn't do a good job. Certain things we didn't do. And today, it's a little bit of a struggle. Could have gone either way. So we just have to move forward to the next game.
Now, Alain, one win away from Meralco getting its first ever championship for the franchise. If you could just describe how you're feeling right now, and at the same time, pumasok na kayo sa dugout kanina, ano yung atmosphere ba sa
Nothing. What's really happy about that? So we don't think the future, stay in the moment, prepare for Sunday game. So yun lang. And today, nakaka-challenge. Kasi pag maganda lang mo, maganda yung mga write-ups. Pero pag may nag-struggle ka, may mababasa ka write-ups. So, talagang challenge ko yung sarili ko today to be aggressive, to be a leader, to be a veteran. Usap kami ni Raymond, ni Bob, kita namin yung article, sabi namin, step up tayo kasi minsan, katulad nga sabi ko sa interview, minsan, struggle ka nga, maganda yung lineup natin. So, kahit nag-struggle ako, I'm giving way sa teammates ko. Maganda nila laro ni Bombito, maganda nila laro ni Cliff Nash ng game. Yung isang game naman, Sinyo, maganda nila laro. So, give way lang, give and take. So, ayan, nakuha namin, and step up kami nila yung laro.
Going back to you, Coach, having said what Alain said, yung accountability then and the willingness of players like him and other vets to step up, to have a bounce back game, the total effort and what it's been taking for these players, nakikita mo sa akin. Just comment on that.
Yeah, you can't get too down on yourself, you can't get too up on yourself. Right? You have to just approach every game. But I think those things motivate them. These guys, they see the problem, things that they need to improve on. In all honesty, San Miguel really played well the last game. So we needed to adjust some things. And, they played brave today. Been with Lane the longest time, and Raymond also in the amateurs. Wong has been together 5 years. So, you have faith in these guys. They're a resilient bunch. And, glad they came up today, but just have to focus on the next game.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Also in for without 110 for the first time in this century marathon. How do you stress getting back to the defensive mindset and setting shots na nila? How do you discuss na contributing pa rin because nasa yung struggling early and siguro parang
The San Miguel is deep team. So last game, hindi namin nakita, big and Terrence came out and played quality minutes. They were able to score. They're one of the scorers, so alam namin it's hard. The game before that, they also scored, right? So they brought a lot of energy in that game. They had 2 days left. We know tomorrow they have 1 day rest and we come back Sunday. So you know, these games are so close, and you know, both teams are being coached well. The players are stepping up. It's nice to watch. It's nice to be a part of it. That they're both, you know, one team gets a 7-point lead, the other team comes back and gets the lead. You really relish these moments. I'm sure I'm saying this. I'm sure San Miguel is saying this, but we're just also glad to be, you know, to be in this situation against a quality team. Okay, but it's one game. We know that. We need to focus on that next one. And we have a quick turnaround.
I mean, nung third quarter, umumagay ng Maki, then San Miguel took the lead, and doing that run ng San Miguel ko, parang hindi tin-score pa rin. Kaya po, avoid yung nakawala yung malaking lead. Crucial yung mga athletes na ito.
Para sa akin, ano lang, culture lang na kahit na doon talaga makakabalik sila sa hindi naman natin discover. Kailangan naman hindi namin makasagot sa depensa. Talaga yung focus namin. And yun nga, kailangan lang kami very on our toes, on defense. And sa offense, tulong-tulong naman kami kung sino ma-open, sino maganda na laro sila.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone, mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.